Zion WordPress theme bonus review. Now you can create any stunning business websites with our brand new Instant Live Editor technology. Our latest Live Drag and Drop technology will ensure you to create any business page without hassles. Our brand new WP theme is going to save your time and solve your problem. 100% newbie friendly. Developer license included for free. Save time and money. Full step-by-step tutorials. No more messing around with poorly coded templates. No coding. No designing skills needed. Hope you know about GoDaddy. This web giant grossed more than $1 billion in revenue in 2014, mostly by selling web services to businesses in back-end. I was checking the success stories of small companies who provides web-based services like us, and here's what I found. It's my second recommendation, which comes with a premium-looking UI and bunch of customization options, controlled from the dashboard. It includes responsive layout, ensuring the website's proper functionality and positive experience on desktops, smartphones, and tablets. The homepage supports widgets, which are a quick way to bring a customization to the table. Theme highlights. It includes a built-in section to let you share the details about upcoming events. The homepage area holds a slider which works with recent posts and images. Other than normal text posts, it can take audio and video files as posts. It includes 4 different color schemes which are easy to pick and install. Zion is a free multi-purpose theme, with a clean and professional look, a widgetized footer, and a full-width animated slider. The theme combines white, blue, and gray colors. Zion works well for small businesses.
উল্টে তৈরি করে দিয়ে আসলে